All right, so at our last meeting, we created our journey map, and we have a good idea of where our unit is going and what are the different things we're gonna include. So our next adventure is to figure out if we have all of the key pieces of authentic learning that we need, and help us flesh it out a little bit more. So the first thing to figure out is, do we have the steps of authentic learning? So we can color code that in blue. Where are we engaging and connecting students?
Definitely when we're brainstorming problems in Shakopee.
Okay.
And making a connection to something that we've learned about.
Awesome. I also think bringing in this expert here to talk about changes in Shakopee is another way to engage and connect with students.
Yep.
Is that still a one?
Yeah, getting that audience in there will hopefully really engage kids.
Okay.
Looking at types of issues, I feel like that's kind of defining, so we should be on a 2 there.
Right, because they're figuring out what are the different things they might explore later, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Same with choosing the problem to focus on, kind of weighing out the different problems. And so that would definitely be define and ideate.
Okay. All right, so then this expert focus groups is where we talked about maybe bringing back in those community partners and having students split off based on the problem that they choose. So in this stage, they're still learning more about that problem, so it might still be in that define stage,
Yeah, I can see
right?
that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, research solutions. Okay.
Feels like we're developing at that point.
Yeah, they've got their solutions, so now they're trying to develop and test, or their problems, so now they're trying to get their solutions, so.
Right, what are some different ways they could fix it? Yeah. Okay, compare and contrast solutions. That's part of that testing process, right? Which one is gonna work best?
Yep.
Okay.
Same with the feedback that you're gonna get when you're making that compare and contrast.
Mm-hmm. And hopefully you use that feedback to refine. So I wonder if this is a 3 and a 4. Right? You're developing it, you're trying it, and you might make some changes.
Right.
So let's give it a little 3-4. Okay. Best solution and why?
I feel at that point you're gonna be implementing.
Because you're trying it out,
Yep.
right? Based on that feedback that you got. Okay, more feedback. All right, so that's more refining.
Yep.
Right? Okay.
Is that 3, 4, 2, or do you wanna just keep it as a 4?
Yeah, I think either way is okay.
Sure.
We're stuck in that iterative cycle right now.
Yeah, so they're going back and forth, right?
Yep.
And this literally has the word refine in it. So revise and refine solution, that's more of that process, right, of a 4.
Yep.
Okay, which medium fits your purpose? Video, slides, article. Oh, this is where they're choosing how they're gonna present or share, right?
I still think we're implementing there.
Okay, yep. Public speaking skills.
And then there's some feedback after, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's a 4 again, or a 3, 4 even, right?
Yeah.
And rehearsal, it's a 4, right? We're practicing, getting ready.
Revising our presentation,
Yep.
that's a 4 as well.
Yep.
And then
presenting.
we've got our summative.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then we have reflection after our summative, where they're talking about how their group worked together, what they learned. So that's going to be that reflect and
Step 5,
connect.
So
Yep.
last step.
Okay. So the biggest thing for us to figure out here is, do we have all of the pieces that we need in the steps? And we do. Even if some are a little bit, you know,
Shorter.
murky too, like the 3s and 4s, sometimes they go together because these two are really, these two are really connected. And it's okay that they don't all have to be the same length either, but we have everything.
Yeah,
Right.
all numbers represented.
Okay, cool. Awesome. Lens number 1, check.